Hi, I'm James. If you dread prospecting and hate the thought of having to weed through a long list to find anyone who will show at least some interest in your offer, you need our full data leads. What you don't want is those broke and lazy BizOp seekers. Stop spending your hard-earned money on BizOp seekers' leads. If you've tried prospecting a BizOp seeker list and had to call tons of people just to find a single person who would give you the time of day, only to find out they had no money to do anything with, chances are high you were using a worn-out, washed-up general business opportunity seekers list. It was worthless then and they are pretty useless now. Stop wasting money on BizOp seeker lists. What you need is our full data networkers. You have your choice of 1 million up to almost 13 million full data records including name, email, cell phone, and mailing address. They are networkers who have already demonstrated they are buyers who are willing to take decisive action. They are business-minded, experienced, focused entrepreneurs looking for just the right offer to invest their money. These full data buyers are investing $500 up to $12,000 or more in the right investment. Then carefully discover the simple things that when done correctly will change your world the moment you start doing things the right way by using our full data leads. Get paid to use your smartphone if you wish to call them. These leads are a proven system that shows how to earn thousands daily from home, leveraging $493.13 billion global smartphone market to build your direct mail flyer, postcard or MLM network marketing business fast with real buyers, people with the money and looking for your opportunity. If you're tired of being broke, then do something about it now. Earn up to $2,000 to $20,000 cash in your pocket each time someone joins you from these hot money-making leads. Get paid the same day. How to get started? This is an amazing way to get quick cash directly into your mailbox or bank account of your choice. Sign up on now and start getting that extra income coming in right away, easy as pie. Share this video with your friends. It's time for you to get real mailbox cash money in the mail. Here are some of our startup bonuses. $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. You can't lose with the coupons you use and choose. $1,000 in restaurant and fast food chain coupons of your choice, places like TGI Fridays, Chili's, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, Applebee's, Sizzler, IHOP, Denny's, Planet Hollywood, Austin Steakhouse, Hooters, Longshore Steakhouse, Ponderosa's Steakhouse, just to name a few. Also, fast food chains such as Wendy's, McDonald's, Hardee's, Quiznos, Taco Bell, Dairy Queen, Burger King, Carl's Jr., Arby's, Jack in the Box, Subway, Popeye Chicken, El Chico, Boston Market, Ruby Tuesdays, and many more. A 3-day 2-night trip, or a 8-day 7-night trip. Hot new mailbox cash money marketing kit. Get paid to use your smartphone. If you choose to call them yourself. This is a proven system, shows how to earn thousands daily from home, leveraging $493.13 billion global smartphone market. Or just mail them your amazing offer. This is an amazing way to get quick cash directly into your mailbox or bank account of your choice. Getting that extra income coming in right away with these full data leads. This is easy as pie. Share this video with your friends. It's time for you to get real mailbox cash money in the mail by using our full data leads that works. No more tire kicker. Meanwhile, please feel free to call Rick. With any questions, call 346-704-1754. Welcome to the #1 Dream Team. To your success, God bless.